Welcome to FT Data Center. Drew here. A few years ago, I went into a client's data center because they were having airflow problems. I took one look at their setup, gave them the answer. They didn't hire me because the fix was so easy. What was the problem? Well, their vented floor tiles were too close to the nearest CRAC unit. I actually took a piece of paper and put it over top of the vented tile, and it was sucked down towards the floor. So the question is, why? Well, to answer that, we're going to do a quick little demonstration. Here we have two ping pong balls suspended from the ceiling about a ½ inch apart. I'm going to take this straw and blow high velocity air between them, and let's see what happens. Okay, let's see that again in slow-mo. See, the balls actually collide together because the air between them is moving at a high velocity. High velocity air has less pressure. The pressure on the outside of the balls is greater than the pressure on the inside, and that differential pushes the balls to collide into each other. Back at our data center, the velocity of the air close to the CRAC unit caused that negative pressure we talked about earlier. Let's look at this in practice. So here we are at our raised floor fish tank data center. Here's our CRAC unit. Here are two open tiles. Then I'm going to put this piece of paper over the nearest vented tile to the CRAC. So, this is why design guides tend to tell you not to put the CRAC units at the end of the cold aisles. If you do have this particular problem, you can either relocate some of your server racks, or you could install underfloor baffles which redirect the air and allow for proper airflow. Or you could decrease the fan speed of your CRAC units, or you could do a lot of things. The point is that once you know what the problem is, it becomes 1,000,000 times easier to solve it. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay centered. Brought to you by Greenlane Design. To learn more, visit greenlanedesign.com. Stuxnet, the worm that infiltrated the Iranian nuclear enrichment plants, was installed